Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Talk Angel, the podcast where you listen, relax, and slowly start speaking English more naturally.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Liam.
And I'm Angel. Wherever you're listening from right now, maybe you're cooking, commuting, folding laundry, or just lying on your bed staring at the ceiling, we're really glad you're here.
Very glad. Today's episode is one of those topics that seems small, but secretly causes big confusion.
Oh yes, today we're talking about 3 tiny words that can cause very big headaches.
Either
Neither.
and rather.
If you've ever paused in the middle of a sentence and thought, wait, is it either or neither here? This episode is for you.
And if you've ever said, me either, and then someone corrected you,
We are going to gently fix that today.
very gently. No grammar trauma here.
Okay, Liam, when you hear the word either, what comes to your mind first?
Choices. 2 options. Usually 2.
Exactly. Either is often about choice between 2 things.
Like, you can either call me or text me.
Yes, that structure is very common. Either, dash, or.
Either we stay home or we go out.
Now, notice something. After either, we usually give 2 options connected by or.
It's like we're presenting 2 doors.
Door A or door B.
Let's say you're at a restaurant.
Dangerous example. I'm always hungry.
The waiter says, you can either have pasta or rice.
Not both, just one.
Exactly. Either shows choice, but only one option.
Now, quick pronunciation moment. Some people say either.
And some say either.
Both are correct. Don't panic.
Choose your personality.
Either pronunciation works. See what I did there?
That was smooth.
Now let's talk about something that confuses many learners.
When either appears at the end of a negative sentence.
Yes, like this. I don't like coffee.
Me either.
That's correct in American English.
But some teachers say, no, it should be me neither.
Both are actually used, but grammatically, me neither is technically more formal.
But in everyday conversation, me either is very common in American English.
I don't enjoy horror movies.
Me either. I can't sleep after watching them.
Natural, relaxed, friendly.
Now here's a mistake. I don't like it either not.
No. Don't add extra negatives.
If the sentence already has don't, you just add either at the end.
I don't understand this.
I don't understand this either.
Clean, simple.
Yes.
Okay, deep breath. Now we meet neither.
The dramatic cousin of either.
Yes, because neither is negative.
It means not one and not the other.
Exactly. 0. Not this one, not that one.
My manager didn't reply to my email.
Neither did mine.
That structure is important.
Yes, notice we didn't say, neither my manager didn't reply.
No double negatives.
When we say, neither did I, the verb comes before the subject.
It's an inversion,
Yes,
like a question structure.
I'm not ready for the meeting.
Neither am I.
Not neither I am.
That sounds robotic.
Now let's combine it. Neither, dash, nor.
This structure connects 2 negative things.
I like neither coffee nor tea.
So you just like water.
Or drama.
Priorities.
Neither my sister nor my brother lives in Lagos.
Both are not living there.
Yes, none of them.
Let's compare quickly.
Either equals one of 2.
Neither equals not one and not the other.
If I say, you can sit on either chair.
Choose one.
If I say, neither chair is comfortable.
Sit on the floor.
We do not recommend that.
Yes.
Rather feels more emotional.
It shows preference. I would rather stay home.
That means I prefer staying home.
Do you want to go clubbing?
I'd rather read a book.
Introvert energy.
Peaceful energy.
Yes.
After would rather, use the base verb.
Not to.
Correct, I would rather eat.
Not, I would rather to eat.
Now let's expand.
Rather than.
I'd rather cook than order food.
Preference between 2 actions.
Very common in daily speech.
True.
Let's modernize this.
Yes, real life.
Text message. Do you want to FaceTime or just text?
Either is fine.
Meaning I'm flexible.
A friend says, I'm not going to the party.
Me neither.
Do you want pizza or shawarma?
I'd rather have shawarma.
Quick correction zone.
I don't like it neither.
Wrong. Choose one negative.
I don't like it either.
That's correct.
I would rather to go.
No two. Say I would rather go.
Okay, neither I like it.
Use inversion. Neither do I.
Think about this. If a friend says, I'm tired, what could you reply using today's lesson?
Maybe me too. Or if negative, me neither.
If someone asks you to choose between two movies?
You can choose either one.
Okay, let's do a recap.
You survived either, neither, and rather.
Either equals one of two options.
Neither equals not one and not the other.
Rather equals preference.
Would rather, strong preference.
Neither nor equals two negatives connected.
Either or equals two choices connected.
If this topic used to confuse you, how do you feel now?
Probably calmer.
More confident.
Less scared of tiny words.
Language isn't about perfection, it's about clarity and connection.
And the more you listen, the more natural it becomes.
We're proud of you for staying until the end.
That shows commitment.
And consistency builds fluency.
So next time someone gives you two options,
You can either answer confidently
or confidently.
Nice one.
Yes,
Thank you for listening to Talk Angel.
where you listen
Relax.
and slowly start speaking English more naturally.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.